Hello guys, I'm here to make this video in order to explain to you once again the topic's modal verbs. So let's begin. So remember that the modal verbs express all the time ability, permission, possibility. So we are going to begin with the first modal we learned. It was the modal to express ability. We know that can is for ability present and could for ability past. As this is only used in present, we need to use another one, for example, to express future or the other tenses, right? In this case, we go to the substitute, that is be able to. This one can be used in all the tenses, present, past, future. This one, right? This is the way that we use it for future. Will be able to. Could. It has another use, which is for being a little bit polite, more polite. Polite means amable, cortés. And all the time in question, when you want to make a question or a request, you use could, podrías. Could you help me? ¿Podrías ayudarme? Right? So that's how we learn. So let's see the example. Present and past. I can go to the circles. Ability. And the negative way. She could teach you. Past. Ability. She couldn't teach you. Or the other use of could, like future conditional. Could you help me? ¿Podrías ayudarme? So we use ability to, be able to. It, it can be used, as I said a few minutes ago, in present as well. I am able to go to the surface. Present. She was able to teach you. Past. She will be able to teach you. Future. Or in the other tenses, like she hasn't been able to teach you. The other modal we learned was the modal to express permission or possibility. That modal is main for both, right? Here is poder and here is puede que. When you want to express permission in the past, you should use this one, be allowed to. Be allowed to can be used in present, past, future, and the other tenses. The same way you learned to use be able to. However, I recommend you that when you want to express possibility in the past, use might, right? Let's see the example. Permission, poder, present. May I see your notebook? Yes, you may, no, you may not. Permission past. I was allowed to go to on Saturday. Somebody gave you the permission to go, so it already passed. Or maybe I can ask you this: would you be allowed to go to the party? I mean, I'm asking you if your parents gave you the permission to go to the party, right? I'm asking you to that. So possibility present, may not. I may or may not. Let's see the example. I may not go to school today. I feel sick. This is an 80% of chances that I am not going to the school because I am feeling sick. So as I taught you now, possibility past might, and also is used for future. I might not go to school today. When I say might, it's a little chances for me to go. I mean, I think I am going, right? Here I am not going, here I might not go. I mean, at the end, what is going to happen is that I will go for sure. Conditional, would. The negative form, wouldn't. This one make that in Spanish, it finishes in this one. Yeah, yeah. And when you are doing a question, making a question, sorry, means also in some cases quisieras. The modal for Preference is would rather. And when you are going to use in negative, would rather not. Right? Let's see the example. Conditional. I would like to study English now. Me gustaría estudiar inglés ahora. She wouldn't like to listen to that. Would you go with me to the mall? ¿Irías conmigo al centro comercial? ¿O quisieras ir conmigo al centro comercial? What would you do? ¿Qué harías o qué quisieras hacer? Preference. Here you has like an extra option, an extra choice. Somebody's giving you two offers, you know. I would rather study English than French. One option, the next option. Preferiría estudiar inglés que francés. I would rather not tell you the truth. Preferiría no decirte la verdad. Would you rather buy the red or the blue one? Here I'm talking about somebody. ¿Preferirías comprar el rojo o el azul? What would you rather do today? ¿Qué preferirías hacer hoy? Right. So this is the end of the explanation for the modal verbs. I hope you enjoy the video and pause, go back, and then as many times as you need. Have a good time. Bye-bye.